Replacement of insulating glass unit. With the working key, open the control compartment and use the handle to pull the compartment towards us. Turn off the automatic button on the power unit. Turn off the power cable at the back of the machine. Open the glass door of the compartment for the delivery of snacks. Unscrew the fastening screws for the upper door hinge. We pull out the loop with one hand, holding the door with the other hand. Remove the door from the lower loop pin. We install a new door on the lower hinge pin. Hold the door with your hand, set the upper loop in place. We screw screws of fastening of the top loop. We close the glass door of the compartment for the delivery of snacks. Connect the power cable at the back of the machine. Turn on the vending machine using the button. Push the control compartment door until it stops. We remove the handle inside and close the lock with the working key.